Hi, my name is Jennifer Donogh, and in the month of December, I'm putting out a video every day for Vlogmas. I did this last year too, and one of the things that I also did last year, I don't remember if I made a video about it, was I created a 21 before 2021 list, and I went through, and it was all very practical items to do before 2021. I found this on a blog post as a fun way to get ready. I think I found it in like 2019. What I did was I created things like set up files or put all of your important paperwork in a file, clear out photos and videos, like little things that just made it so that when 2021 came around, I felt more prepared for it. It was a really smart thing to do, and I recommend it for anyone. The thing that was hard though was at the same time I was keeping another list, and this was all on Trello. The other list was a Christmas bucket list, and unfortunately the two, I don't operate like that. I need everything to be streamlined and focused, and so this year what I want to do is put that bucket list and the practical 21 or 22 before 22 list together so that I'm doing things that are really important to me to complete by the new year. So that's practical things like I talked about, getting files together and cleaning out photos, but also things like doing a gingerbread house and little things that I just, if I don't plan it or have it on a list in front of me, I'll forget about or just like put it off and then it'll never get done. Even the fun things. Last year what I did is do the Trello board, which is an online application that organizes you. It's a project management, and I do check Trello almost every day, but I do like the idea of having something tangible that you can feel and touch and you have there that you're looking at. So what I did last year was that I created this 5 a.m. bookmark. I was trying to wake up at 5 a.m. every morning. I did it pretty successfully. I think I missed like 2 days. The 5 a.m. Club is what it is. I read a book called The 5 a.m. Club. It gives you suggestions on how you should outline your day and go about your day to make it the most effective early wake up day that you can. And I put it on the bookmark. It wasn't a checklist or anything like that that I marked off that I did every day. It was just something that I opened up my planner, I moved my bookmark, and it was something I felt and I looked at each day, and it was kind of like a guide that I just thought in the back of my mind, this is what I should be doing each day. So I want to do that for my 2022 list, where 22 before 2022 list, where I have all those items there in like a really tangible, cute, fun way that reminds me, oh yeah, these are the things that are important to me, rather than, because you know, you have little fires that you're putting out throughout your day. You have little things that you have to do every day that feel super important at that moment, but I don't want to lose track of those bigger items by addressing the tiny ones every day. There's that analogy with the rock in the jar, right? You want to put all the big rocks in first, otherwise all the little ones will take up all the space. So focusing on those big things each day, and I think the bookmark will help. I know it's silly, but I like all those little tools that help with it. So let's go ahead and make the bookmark today. I'm going to put together my list of 22 things before 2022, and I'd love to hear what your list is. So make sure, of course, that you're subscribed and you like the video, and then comment below with what your 22 before 2022 list is. I like the art store. Yeah.
Over there a little bit. Over there.
Oh my goodness.
Electric pen sharpener.
Tonight we're making a bookmark too. Is that cool? Yeah.
Sure. We are?
Yeah.
For what?
For Mom. You can make one for yourself. So we got all of the art supplies for our bookmarks, but we have some other Christmas crafts to be doing. And now I need to figure out exactly what my 22 before 22 list is. Like I said, I'm combining the like need to do practical items with the fun stuff. Ta-da! We turned on our sparkly lights for some mood lighting, huh? Wyatt gave me a little work buddy to start on my 22 before 2022 list, and I think he is going to do a 2 before 2022 list. What do you think about that, Wyatt?
What do you mean the 2 before 2022?
It's like 2 things you're going to accomplish before 2022. Do you think you could accomplish 2 things in 20?
I only want to accomplish one thing in 20.
Oh yeah. What's the one thing?
I mean,
Is it a
if you
secret?
look at the screen, you'll kind of know.
Oh, Minecraft.
It's a
Yeah,
Minecraft
nice.
goal.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open up this card. And then my Trello board is really fun. I just copied it over from the past year. And over here is where I'm gonna go ahead and add those items. Over in 2021 I will, by 2022 now. There we go. And then what I do is I just add a little checklist that will go through everything. And then I'm gonna go ahead and transfer my little list on Trello over to a bookmark. That's gonna have all the items. Did you wanna make a bookmark like that too tonight, or do you just wanna do the fun bookmark?
Wait, what do I want to do? Wait,
so it's
what?
like your to-do list, or the things that you need to remind yourself you need to do. All right, let's get to work figuring out what it is that we're going to do.
Parents already on the
That-
has experience like
then,
that.
Or I could have hearts.
If we don't, watch the next day.
Lionfish. What is that? Heron. Fish. Heron. Looking at a fish. Heron. The birds that are better at swimming than flying. And shell.
I love it.
It's really good.
I'm not sure this fits.
It will fit you when you fit it.
Cousin?
These things
his.
I saw while paddling.
It's his
this
fear of
morning.
orcas. It represents his fear of birds.
Oh, and
Don't
why
fear
it's
birds.
done. Oh,
You
why
fear
it's
elephants.
beautiful.
You should put an elephant seal in the front.
Thought about it, but I don't know. That would be hard.